Hey you guys, so I'm working on another project, and this is a Dollar Tree. Let me show you. This is a Dollar Tree. I know y'all have seen these little Christmas trees at the Dollar Tree store, and so I actually decided I was going to pick up one because I wanted to put some greenery around in my kitchen, some little trees, and I actually picked this up, and I was really surprised at how it actually looks. It's a really cute tree. I mean, right now it doesn't look that great because I just opened it up, and I also grabbed some of these extra wire garland ties. They're separated, so what I done is I took and I twisted some in between to just kind of as I filled it up, as I filled in the sections that was kind of empty, I would leave a strand long enough to where it would just kind of blend in with the ones as I went up the tree, I would twist it more just to kind of make it even out with the ones that are as it gets smaller. But I think it actually did turn out pretty good. Other than, like I said, I need to fill it in a little bit more and straighten it out. But my plans for this project is to actually add that to a vase. So I'm going to be working on that, and once I get finished with it, I'll come back and do another video. Thanks.